a way to go to a lake. We're not even sure if it's open, but also I read that they do ice fishing there. So let's get surprised. Let's all get surprised about this. We are in the state of Bern, which is our capital state, in Gstaad. But right now we're driving out of the little town into the countryside in the middle of the mountains. Really, really, really beautiful. There's not much snow anymore, as you can see, but still it's beautiful. Over there is the glacier. You cannot really properly see it, I think, right now. The trees are there. There is a glacier, and when Sean was here we went up there. It's 3,000 up sea level. Yeah, so we're not going up there right now, but Sean was up there. I don't know if we can see it. I just want to show you. Some of you have seen it, I think, on my pictures on Instagram, but right now it doesn't look like it. You can see it. All right, talk to you soon. So actually that was supposed to be the intro. Whatever happened there? So actually we could not make it to that other lake because it was closed because of winter, I guess. Whatever reasons, we don't know. So have a look where we went instead. Ooh, look how beautiful! We're almost there, guys! Whoa. Mother Nature. Yeah. Over there would be a restaurant, which obviously is closed, as all restaurants are here in Switzerland. Some restaurants have takeaway though, but yeah. Look at it, look at it. Actually, you can already see the lake. But it's all frozen and snow over it. Isn't that a little piece of paradise? And also this whole area here is a natural reserve, or however you call it in English. So, you know, nature's protected. You're not allowed to throw trash, like you never should, but you should not. I'm sure there are some wild animals around. And in summer you can do really beautiful hikes as well here. And if you want to know the name of that lake, it's called Lauenensee, and it's beautiful. Can you hear it? It's nothing there. No sounds. Except the birds. And me. Right. Let me tell you one thing we do here in Switzerland. Sorry, my gum. When we go hiking and we pass people, we always say hello. Remember my last Swiss-German video where I said the greeting? So we go like, Grüezi. That's what we do when hiking. Grüezi. Did you hear? So it looks like we're in the middle of nowhere. Like you cannot see where you're walking, what is a path or what is not. But this yellow sign is the hiking sign. So we know we're on the right track. And there's a little door I just see. We just thought like, whoa, where we at? Where we at? Wow, it's so freaking amazing. I'm almost, but not totally, almost on the river, the lake. Because as you can see, here is already water. It's a bit dangerous. I won't go any further. Don't want to go swimming right now. And look at this, I thought that was funny. There is a little bench in the middle of the snow. So we made it all around the Lauenensee. We are happy. We are a little bit tired too. It took us about 1 hour, 1.5 hours, because it goes through the snow. We made some stops, obviously, to take some videos, take some pictures. So if you like this video, please leave us a like. And if you want to say something to that video, we are so happy if we get some comments. And if you don't follow us yet, you know what you gotta do, right? You gotta subscribe, click the bell, and you make us happy, and we try to make you happy. That was stupid, right? But anyway, I really miss Sean. I really wish he was here. He was in Gstaad, but we did not go here, actually. We had no time, really. I don't know. We did other things. I mean, we went to the glacier and stuff. But I really wish he was here. Sean, I miss you. And please, everybody, take care, stay healthy, and yeah, see you soon.